On this video, Mrs. Lee will teach you how to make an origami ghost. And you will need white square paper. You could use white or very light color, very light blue or very light gray, or whichever the color you have, but I think the white will work the best for ghost. Okay, we will place this paper in front of you so they will look like a diamond. Okay. First, we bring the bottom tip, over to the top tip and push it down, match it, push it down, slide, and fold that into half. Okay. And open it. Okay. Turn. Okay. We do the same thing. Bring the bottom tip over to the top tip. Okay. Press, match, press, slide, and fold. All right. Okay. Are you getting good at folding the paper into half? Okay. Okay. Open it. Okay. Now, this time, we'll bring the top tip over to the center line and press. And for this one, we don't have to fold the entire line. What we're doing is just making a mark right here, half mark. So, see, I only folded it just a little bit. Okay, all right. And then we'll bring the bottom tip over to the mark that we just folded, like that. Okay, make sure you match the center, the vertical center line. And go ahead and fold it. So the whole shape will look like that. Right. And go ahead and turn it over. And next, we will bring this tip over to the center line while we match the bottom layer. So make sure 2 bottom layers are matched. And then we'll put the tip up against the center line. So look like that. So the bottom of it is matching right here at the bottom. So in other words, don't bring it up like that. See, the bottom line is not matching. You have to match the bottom and put the tip by the center line. So I'll do it again on this side. Bring the tip over to the center line. Make sure you match the bottom right there, and then fold it. Okay, now open it. Turn it over. Okay, all right. Now at this point, I'm going to draw a red dotted line so that you can understand this better, but you do not have to do this. Okay, I'm just doing this so that you can see it better. Those 3 vertical lines are dotted. Okay, so we will bring that first dotted line over to the center line and match those 2 lines and fold it. Okay, did you get that? Okay, I'm going to do it again on this side. Okay, see that dotted line? Okay, make a mountain fold, right? Make it look like a mountain, and bring it over to match the center line and fold it. Okay, was that clear? Did you do it right? Okay, all right. Okay, so the first hard part is done. The next part is the second and the last hard part. Okay, we are going to put our, okay, let's get your index, right index finger ready, okay? And then put it right here. Okay, just, there's a space right there. Just put it right there so that this part of the paper stands up. Okay, push it like that so they will stand up. And then fold that part into triangle so that this tip will stick out. That's going to be the ghost's arm. Okay. Are you lost? Okay, I'm going to do it again. Okay, so put your finger in there. Okay, in there. And see that folded line? We already folded this. Okay, so make that part folded and stand up, and then put your finger in there in that corner and push it down, push the whole thing down so that it will become a triangle like that. Okay, don't give up, you can do this. Okay, all right. Okay, and then that's gonna be the ghost head. Okay, and we don't want the square head for the ghost, so we will fold the corners a little bit. So our ghost will have a rounder head like that. Okay, and this end is going to be the ghost's tail. Okay, but it's a little bit too fat for the tail, so we're gonna make it skinny. So our goal is to make the tip skinny like that. Okay, see how pointy and skinny it is? And we don't want to just fold it like this. It's not really skinny enough for us today. See, if we just do that, it's still a little bit too wide. So that was a bad example. But instead, we'll make the tip skinny, and we're going to start from this corner right here. Bring the whole thing starting here towards the tip. You see the difference? Okay, so that's a right fold, and that is a fold that was a bit too fat. So start from here, okay? And you do the same thing from the other side. Make the tip really pointy, and starting from the ghost, I guess this is the armpit, okay, right here, and then fold it. There you go. Okay. And then we will fold the ghost tail tip about like this. You don't have to do it exact angle. Okay. Just fold it a little bit tip. And then fold it again to make a zigzag line. Okay. Then turn the whole thing over. Fold the arm. So that's a shoulder right here. Fold the arm down. You don't have to match up against the body line. You could, but I would just leave a little bit space so that the arms will point down a little bit. Okay. So that is the end of folding a ghost. Okay. And all you have to do is just draw the face, however you want. And this is a finished version. All right. Hey, that's it. Hey, have fun and good luck.